to mankind. The precious element of life. The source of peace, tranquility. Water, refreshing. Revered and worshipped. A divine inspiration for sophisticated living. Waterfall residences. Krisumi grandeur the moment you step in. Designed very much like the reception lobby, the entrance lobby of Tower A and B comes with a double height ceiling, while Tower C comes with a triple height ceiling. Color, aesthetics or detailing, it's all going to set your expectations higher. Experience how the benchmark gets elevated the minute you step in. While the ground floor lobby boasts of a stunning double height ceiling, the lift lobby on each floor is centrally air-conditioned by Daikin, and it's a Krisumi promise that you will find similar woodwork, metal panels and ambient lighting on-site at ground floor. On other floors, you will have laminate, cladding and paint with tile. Even the doors at waterfall residences stand tall like the elevation. The entrance door is approximately 8 feet high and is built of special veneer wood, which is fireproof for 2 hours. God is in the details. Your living and dining area at Waterfall Residences is a testimony to that. It measures 12 feet 5.5 inches by 23 feet 4 3/4 inches to ensure your wooden floor stays good as new. It's been made water resistant as well as termite resistant. The actual apartment comes with plain white walls, so you can. The kitchen has been designed keeping both the chef and the host in you in mind, which is why it's available in closed as well as open format. The latter comes with a built-in bar counter, while the storage cabinets, hob and chimney are a standard feature. As a mark of Krisumi excellence, this 10 feet by 7.6 feet kitchen comes with leather-furnished granite slabs in. The kitchen is the heart of your home, so the balcony that comes attached must fill this heart with all the joy and positivity. The glass door ensures just that, while the flooring with anti-skid tiles and super sturdy and durable MS railing add to the safety as well as style. The walls and ceiling come with an exterior paint that blends with the facade of the elevation. Welcome to the most work-friendly home. Stop using your dining table as your work desk and enjoy working in a well-equipped 10 feet by 12 feet personal workspace that comes with every facility you can expect from a corner cabin. Television, air purifier, printer, paper shredder, vacuum cleaner, coffee maker, toaster, table and chairs, storage space and even lights and. It's a view only a few people get to enjoy every morning. That too, from a 47 feet long and 5 feet 10 3/4 inches wide balcony. Accessible through all the rooms, the balcony adorns anti-skid tiles, stainless steel railings with double lead laminated and toughened glass panels, adding not just to the beauty of the facade, but providing plain walls that reflect your light and positivity, laminated wooden flooring for an elegant look, and access to the balcony for you to soak in the grandeur. You have it all. The size of this room is 10 feet by 12 feet. Well, master bedroom or second bedroom, you deserve nothing less than the best. So, all the bathrooms at Krisumi Waterfall Residences come with CP fittings from Groha, while the sanitary ware is from Toto. To enhance the experience further, you may opt for the glass partition as shown, the woodwork below the wash basin counter and the storage space with the mirror. It's your room, and we know you settle for excellence. 11 feet by 15.634 inches in size. It's quite large in numbers and even larger in appearance. There is a huge cavity already provided in the wall for storage. The flooring is of laminated wood, but what makes it even more stunning is the additional window that opens up to. Equally luxurious, even more spacious, that's your master bathroom. Measuring 7 feet 34 inches by 7 feet 6 inches. It may take you some time to soak in the grandeur,